In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money into your MT4 account. First, it's important to understand that you cannot deposit funds directly through the MT4 app. To add money, you need to go to your broker's website. If you don't have a broker yet, you'll need to create an account with one first. For example, the broker used here is Exness, but you can choose any broker of your preference. Once you've logged into your broker account, locate the MT4 account you want to fund. On your broker's dashboard, select Deposit. You'll see multiple deposit methods available, such as bank card, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Binance Pay, Neteller, and others. Choose the payment method that is most convenient for you. For example, if you select Bitcoin, you'll be provided with a wallet address. Copy this address and send the amount you want to deposit from your crypto wallet. After completing the transfer, your funds will be credited to your MT4 account. On brokers like Exness, deposits are often instant and may come with 0% fees. Once the deposit is processed, your MT4 account balance will update immediately, allowing you to start trading. This method works for any deposit amount, and your account will reflect the new balance in real time.